My car is stuck in electric mode, engine braking. My foot is on the accelerator and it only goes up 1 mile each time. It's stuck in electric mode. It won't go any faster. Foot is all the way down almost. And my foot is all the way down now, and now it's engine braking. And my foot is all the way on the accelerator. It's stuck on engine braking mode. And my hazard's on, trying to get on the freeway. Just took it in the other day. My foot is all the way down on the accelerator. Not engaging in acceleration. I have to pull to the side of the road now that I'm on the freeway. Will not allow me to accelerate. Put it in park, put in drive, not going anywhere. Foot is on the gas, not going anywhere. Put in park, have to turn it off. Then I turn it back on. And now it will drive. Barely shifted now. The RPMs are still pretty high. It's not shifting. It's manual. It's still in 5th gear. Should be 6th gear. When I put it back in drive, still in 5th gear because the RPMs are still really high. It's not shifting. It's still not shifting. Switch it over to manual. It's still in 5th gear. Switch it to manual. Still in 5th gear. I go to manual and I shift up. Then it's where it should be. That's only if I put it in manual. Take it out of manual, goes back to high RPMs. It will not shift, and I'm not going up the hill.